I fail in this project. Why? And I waste too many hours trying to solve the problem, but nothing. Let's start today's video. Okay, let me explain. I got this game console. It's a Nintendo clone, cheap version from AliExpress. I buy it for I think $10 or $12, and the game console works okay. And I decided to place a LCD screen in the game console, and turned out pretty cool, and it's amazing. You just need to add the controller, push the button and play on this guy. Let's see what is inside. Very carefully. Okay. Here it is, the whole electronic board with all 2000 games in the console. Couple of switches and ports for the game controller. And here, come on man. Here we have 3.5mm output audio and video jack. And this is micro USB power socket for the cable. And I have opened a hole, placed the LCD screen, and it should be working, but you're gonna see right now. Everything is connected. I plug in the power and attach the controller, and now I'm gonna power up and you're gonna see what's the problem. Look, why is that interruptions? You can see these static lines, and I don't know why it's doing that. The game console is working, I can choose the game, but this static I can't solve. I spent too many hours to fix this thing, but nothing. And now I'm gonna show you that when I hook up another LCD screen, it's working fine. Here it is, my LCD screen for testing devices. And here I have analog input for the device. I'm gonna plug into the AV out of the game console. On this screen it's perfectly, but on this small screen I have a static, and I can't solve that. That is a big problem. As I said, I waste too many hours fixing, but nothing. And this project for me is a big fail, and will be nice if this gadget is working. Okay, in the comments below, please, if you know what is the problem, I will try it and try to solve. This is a clone Nintendo Super Mario. Let's start. One player. World 1 of 1. Okay, working. Mushroom. Okay. That was all for today's video. Give a like or dislike, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!